This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Here we have Hyundai Inster. It's a small, compact EV. It's a poor man's car. And in this video, I'm gonna find out how much space we have because, you know, not everyone has a family, dog or whatever. They might be single, they might have only one girlfriend, and then this would be perfect for them. You don't need to buy a big SUV or something, you know? So, yeah, let's start with the front first. Okay, here we have, how do I keep it up? Okay. There's a thing here, you put it, there. Okay, so it's this conventional design on things. We have all the electronics here. Okay, don't touch the orange high voltage cables. No front. Wow, look at the sexy back. Actually, it's not that pretty. I wonder why they didn't style it to be look nicer than this, but okay. I think the whole point is that if you're a poor man, then you're not supposed to have something that looks pretty like a Model 3. Okay, but the Model 3 is more expensive than this. But yeah, you have this kind of doors, the Renault style doors, door handle here. And yeah, let me see. Yeah, just manual hatch, but it's a hatch opening. Whoa, the space here is so tiny. This reminds me of that Renault 5 I used to own many years ago. Yeah. How do we take out this? Huh? What? Okay, partial shelf. Oh, this is clumsy. How do we remove this? Okay. What the heck is this? I think this has something to do with when you fold the seats. But okay, they are kind of in the way for our trunk test now. But you see that the seats can be reclined. Whoa, what the heck? That is sick. Oh, sick, bro. But you're gonna have it in the most upright position. Kind of church bench, but it still works. Same here. Okay, and then I'm not sure how to tuck these away. Oh yeah, you can open the lid, remove the lid. Yeah, but what the heck, man? Then that stuff is dangling around. Wait, maybe it's just Velcro. No, it's actually not. Oh, it is. No, what? Huh? What? And then it's attached there. The heck, man? This is quite clumsy because if I would have a baby stroller here, this thing gets in the way. Holy macaroni, how do we deal with this? We just have to stack the banana boxes here. Okay, take out all the rest. All right. And of course, if you get stranded, you don't get stranded alone, so you need two of these high visibility jackets. Wait, oh, we can take out this. Oh yeah, but okay. You see, everything is dual here, so you have dual tow hook. In case you get stranded, you can be double penetrated. Oh, you see here. Right, so we have it in the quite church bench position, which is still okay to sit. But the beauty with Inster is that you can slide the seat forward. Whoa! Wait, I have to test here. And now I actually have plenty of legroom. This is remarkable for such a small car. So if I go all the way forward, I'm now sitting behind myself. I can totally sit like this. Let's do this for the other side also, and then you feel the trunk. Okay, round one in the trunk. And look how many boxes can you fit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is just insane for such a small car. I mean, it's basically because we cheated by pushing the seat slightly forward, but I mean, I could still sit there and have good space. They just made a short hood and utilize the space really well. So, you know, normally 8 boxes is what you can fit in a larger SUV, right? But here, no problemo. This is amazing. And now let's fold the seat and try again. Okay, as always, I try to pack it to the max, but the car is not that big, so there are some limitations there. However, I was quite impressed to see how much we can fit in here. It has a boxy shape, short and tall. Here, see, all the way to the top. Yeah, there is a little sunroof there, but not in the back. But yeah, here there were some parts I couldn't utilize optimally. Honestly, tried to pack here, but here I feel like there's half a box I could fit, but I mean, you cannot fit half a box. So yeah, that's it. All right, as always, let's turn off the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18, 19. This is just amazing. You get 19 boxes in this tiny car. It's like a Model 3, huh? Or better than e-Golf. How the heck is it possible? I have no idea. I think they just made it tall enough, but it's not that wide, but also good space under the trunk. So there you guys have it. If you want affordable car for the poor man, get this Inster. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.